I cannot believe this. We were talking about SpecePi a few times. I just want to show you the chart first. We were talking about SpecePi here, right here, and it pretty much 2x'd right now in a matter of days. All we had to do was code for 2 days. So I made 2 videos on SpecePi. The first one was where was it? SpecePi. It was actually tweeted at from let's just search like this, SpecePi. Here it is, AMXC listing. This is something we're hoping to get, and this was 1 day ago, and we had another one right here, I guess. Let me just search it from here, and it just blew. This was perfect entry, perfect technical analysis from what we can see. SpecePi token review that was 3 days ago, warned you about it, and yeah, that was pretty much it. And it happened exactly the way it should. This is how pumps happen. This is when you infiltrate a pump. This is how it happens. You wait for the price to settle down, respect the support area a few times, try to test upwards, print above the 21 EMA, you buy in, you have a alarm set up below here as a stop loss, then you wait for a pump. And it pumped, all right? It pumped hard to $19 million market cap. By the way, this video is no financial advice. If you appreciate it, slap the like button, subscribe, because I do a lot of these videos every single day for your value. I'm always in on YouTube. I want to be the biggest crypto channel. Help me out with that. I want to hit 100,000 subscribers within the next 3 months. And this video is brought to you by AMXC Exchange. If you trade futures there is a chance you can get a free Tesla. Sign up using my link in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.